can see in the view, maybe way over there, you can see some sun as I'm driving through the park. I think the next stop I'm going to make is the Hall of Horrors, which should be on the right side. And you know, I may come back to these spots later in the week when the sun is out, but I just want to get oriented to where I am and what some of the good spots are while today's kind of chilly and windy, and tomorrow's going to rain. So okay, got to get back on duty here. This is where we're headed, right here. Looks like some scary stuff coming up here. We'll have to see. All right, got to get back on the trail. Heading down to the Hall of Horrors here. Still windy and chilly. No sun now. A lot of Joshua trees here. Okay. Okay, we got a little rock access here. Don't have my hard hat. Got my soft head, but not my hard hat. So we'll go inside here. And oh, I can just about make it. I gotta bend down. You gotta bend down. Oh, my aching back. Things I do for M1 man travel. There's some people that are up there. If they want to climb the rocks, I don't think I'm going to squeeze through there. That's too far underneath of me here. So back the way that I came here. I gotta get down real low here. Well, I guess if you want to climb, you can do the bit. There's some birds up there, way up there. You climb the rocks, but no thank you. Maybe I'd do a little more climb if it was sunny and warm out here. But nah, there's the parking lot up there. All right, let's just walk around here. I'm getting a little chilly. I'm gonna have to put my jacket on here. Okay, I had to put my other windbreaker on here because it's getting a little cool here. So, all right, get back on the trail here. Well, I haven't seen anything too scary yet, but maybe around the next bend there could be something scary. There's more rocks in there. You can go up there. I don't know if I want to squeeze through that. And no more climbing for the kid here. You could go behind here, some of these things, but on a different day, on a warmer day maybe. So still in the Hall of Horrors. I haven't seen the signs yet that marked some of those you know, weird rocks, but here's one right in front of me. We'll try to go around it. We'll come up and say hello to the rock. How are you? Don't fall on me. Don't fall on me. I'm too young to die here. Too young to die. All right, there's the wind coming out. More of these rocks over here, and they're closer than they look like in the video here. So, all right. Well, here's a little offshoot trail. It doesn't look too difficult. I'm gonna pursue this. Oh, little holes in the ground down there. I don't know what's in there. Some lizards or something, maybe. Maybe keeping warm on a day like this. Hey, this is the desert. It's supposed to be sunny and hot all the time and dry. Today it's windy and cold and not sunny. Oh, I think I'm at a dead end. Dead end here. Unless I want to go look at those rocks or crawl underneath of that. I don't think so. There's some lines across this rock here. Yeah, I wonder what that was from. I don't know. All right. Oh, this one's got some splits here too. Here. So very kind of straight lines. Maybe they're naturally occurring. You can see those lines here. All right, back on the trail. Well, this one might be another dead end here, but looks doable for the kid here. I can stop, rest along the way. Oh yeah, come out. Maybe a little bit of a vista up here. Let's go up, check this out. Checking it out. There's some people down the trails down there. Oh yeah, a little bit of a vista here. Oh, this is kind of nice. You got a little stage here. Nice vista of the park up here. Yeah. And we got people on the trail there. People on the trail waving to me there. Folks are waving to me there. All right, you wave to me there. Okay, good. Got some friends there. So, but you can see the big vista. There's a little blue sky out there, you can see. So, but most of the sun's going somewhere else. Right here we got in back of me pretty much all clouds here. So all right, got some people to wave at me. That was good. Well, right here I'm in a little spot where it's a little bit out of the wind because I got rocks on that side of me and rocks on that side of me. See the clouds in back of me, the little blue sky up toward the front. That's not keeping me warm, but I'm gonna walk down this trail. It's a pretty easy trail here. I'm bundled up, got my windbreaker on, my hat screwed on like a radiator cap so it doesn't blow off, and yeah, meander around here for a while. It's a pretty easy trail. All right, let's see where we're going here. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll keep going down here. See what the dealio is here. Oh, there's some rocks here. Look at that rock up there. It's just like caught in between those other rocks. That's pretty neat, pretty neat. A lot of neat stuff here. So our planet and our country is so wonderful here that we have all these things we can see. And of course, because I am of the senior persuasion, I have what's known as a senior pass that gets me in free to all the national parks. So I didn't have to pay a fee, but a lot of the cars in front of me, they're just flashing their senior pass too. It's mostly seniors that have the time to do all this travel and everything here. But all right, gotta get back on the trail here. Yeah, there's all these little offshoots here, so you can, you know, pick where you want to walk, and you know, like here's one here that goes up here. If you want to go up closer to those rocks, well, we'll take it. Doesn't look too bad, and you know, I guess if it was raining, you could go under there to get out of the rain, but you might get water washed on you there. So we're going to go up here. Oh, these rocks look like they just fell down here and are stuck here in these various positions. And I gotta watch where I'm walking here. All right, coming up here. We got thorns there, so we gotta watch that. See if I can get by. Pick out the thorns later on. And there's a little opening there, and more thorns. May have been a bad choice here, but all right, we're exploring here, exploring up at the rocks. There's the wind coming up again here, whistling up from the plains here maybe. But anyhow, not much to see here. I gotta work my way back down. I think I'm gonna need both hands here. So let's see. Gotta get by some of these rocks. Okay. All right, going back down here. When I stop and I'm out of the wind, I get a little warm. But when I'm out there in the wind walking, it gets downright chilly. So, either warm or you're cold. All right, I think I'm gonna take this path here. All right. Well, here's another one of these cactus growing right out next to the rock here, which I guess the rock underground may hold a lot of water to keep, you know, whereas this would dry out. So maybe the tree says, oh, I'll start growing next to this rock because I can put my roots under that and get some water. Maybe that's it, I don't know. But I don't know how close I can get with the GoPro. But yeah, it's a nice looking one here. There you go. Don't want to get close to that guy. Oh, there's another little tunnel there if you want to walk in there with the rocks. They look like they're not going to move here, so I don't know where this trail goes. There's a hawk or something flying up there. I can still hear the road, so I don't think you can get lost here. If you look on your phone with the GPS, your eyes are adjusted. It's so hard to see the screen. You really can't make it out. You got to put a hood over your head and then wait a few minutes till your eyes adjust. So worst case, that's what you could do. All right. Now up in here, it looks like there could be a little cave where you could go inside there. Maybe behind this big rock too. And it's got a couple little rocks down there. You know, once those disintegrate, maybe that rock's gonna come tumbling down here or shifting or something here, or maybe the rains. But look at these two big, this one big rock here split down the center. Maybe one day that things are going to fall down here. Maybe that's how these other rocks got here. I don't know. I'm not a geologist or a scientist. I'm only one man with my YouTube travel channel. Subscribing is always welcome. I have over, well, close to 900 videos now, because I'm adding more and more all the time. I'm putting shorts in there too. If you can't stand looking at a video for 5 or 10 minutes, you can look at the shorts, and I usually put links to longer videos, but the longer videos have so much detail in it there, so some more people coming up on the trail. So okay, well, I'm still on the trail. We got this big rock here, coming out to a little stand of Joshua trees here. Not a lot, but a goodly number of them out there. You can see little Joshua trees. And we got all the rocks in back of us here. So some people in back of me. So I'll just keep on the trail here. All right. Well, there's a Joshua tree right there. And we can either go that way or we can go this way. This way I think we'll go around behind the rocks. And it looks like my battery's telling me I gotta change a battery. So I better go do that right now. Well, I stopped by this kind of a downed Joshua tree here to change my battery, and pretty much on this side of the rocks, because the parking lot's on the other side, you're pretty much out of the wind here, so it's a little more toasty back here. But while I was changing the battery, I spotted this up here, so I said, well, I think I can squeeze through here without getting too much scraped up. See what's back here. Oh, well, yeah, you could walk through there. I don't think the kid's going to try it, but yeah, there's a, you could walk through there if you were a little tiny person, and there's another one up here that you can see. So, well, another little offshoot here if you want to get close to the rocks. And you know, if you're a little more agile, you could take this close to the rocks trail where you crawl through rocks. Almost looks like petroglyphs up there. I don't know, somebody made that with a torch or something. Looks like there could be a cave up there. I don't know. I'll try to go up there and see, because I'm curious here. All right. Well, take my time. Don't want to break these old bones here. All right. I need one hand here. All right. It looks like somebody tried to make a van or something on there. All right, gotta turn the camera off so I can use two hands here maybe. I think this is as far as I'm going to get. It's very steep, and I had a broken ankle some months ago. I don't want to re-break it, and I got to work my way down now, which may be even harder. Sorry. Okay, made it back down. I think from now on the kid better stick to the more flat trails. It doesn't look too bad, but once you're going up there, there's some really steep rocks and your feet are at these unusual angles left and right, and you know, twisting and turning, and yeah, could break that ankle again, so I don't want to do that. I'm not happy about that because I'd like to go up there, but such is life. Whatever. All right. I saw a couple cars go by on the road, so should be getting back to civilization here somehow. Yeah, the road's down there, so I think this is going to loop all the way around. The parking lot's going to be over there somewhere, but maybe this is a shortcut here. Let's check this out here. See where this goes. If it's another dead end here. It's like my life, a dead end. So, all right, so far so good. Ooh, another little, well, kind of a dead end. Yep, there's a little squeezy thing in there. You can kind of see the other end, at least I can here with the light. The camera may not pick it up, but yeah, kind of a dead end here. All right, got to backtrack out. There's the parking lot up there. So yeah, went through the House of Horrors. Wasn't too scary, and there were supposed to be these other ones, whatever it said on the sign, those other special rocks or something. I never saw them, so if they were here, they weren't marked or something here. Another cactus here. And when it gets stuck in that, it's very pointy there. Okay, looks like something in there. That's what that little white thing. Oh, I almost touched it. All right. There's another little access point. You can see people walking down there. You could squeeze in here and go in there. I'm not going to do that though. But yes, all these rocks are not moving here anywhere, I don't think. Okay, there's the parking lot back out there. Well, it's the 20th of March, 2023. I'm here at the House of Horrors, or whatever you call it, Rocks. And I walked all the way around to the other side, went on some side trails and different things. It's still chilly. I got my windbreaker on top of my other woolly thing underneath, got my hat on, and it's about almost 5:01 in the afternoon. I'm heading back to the car, back in the parking lot here, and take a little rest, drive down the road, and maybe find something else out. So, got to get back on the trail here and do some more walking. All right.